Inherited an XML processing workflow and found XPD files describing the pipeline? These files chain together XML transformations and queries into automated sequences. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, edit, and execute these Stylus Studio XML pipeline documents. Pro tip: for XPD files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. Users encounter .xpd files when working with complex XML data transformations in the Stylus Studio IDE. This file defines a visual pipeline or sequence of operations like XSLT or XQuery to be performed on an XML document. It acts as a project file for automating and managing data processing workflows. The .xpd format is fundamentally XML-based, designed for readability and version control. It stores the pipeline's structure, references to external scripts, XSLT, XQuery, and configuration settings in a hierarchical, text-based format. This makes the workflow both human-readable and easily machine-processable by the IDE. The core professional tool for handling the XPD format is Stylus Studio from Progress Software Corporation. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows provides no execution support, so scripts rely on command line or runtime tools. The initial test: right-click the XPD file and choose Open With. If Stylus Studio is installed, test that first. If it's not present, choose another program. Don't worry if it fails on the first try. If your XPD file is not opening yet, that is normal. Now, it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, opening in Stylus Studio. Launch Stylus Studio and use File then Open to load the XPD file. The pipeline editor displays the workflow as a visual graph showing each processing node and the data flow between them. Double-click any node to inspect or edit its configuration parameters and referenced resource files. Next, executing the pipeline. With the XPD file open in Stylus Studio, click the Run or Execute button on the pipeline toolbar. Stylus Studio processes each step in sequence, passing output from one node as input to the next. Monitor the execution log for errors and review final output files in the configured destination paths. Finally, editing pipeline steps. Modify the pipeline by dragging new processing nodes from the toolbox onto the canvas and connecting them with input-output links. Configure each node by setting its referenced XSLT, XQuery, or schema file and adjusting parameters. Save changes back to the XPD file to preserve the updated workflow definition. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.